God, it's so hot. I've had it running. Look at this thing. I actually didn't even touch the engine bay when I gave it to my guys to clean it, because there was no way that it would come out this clean or cleaner than it already is. It would be dirtier. It is crazy. The fittings, the hardware, the rubber, the plastic. This is the cleanest part of the car. The heat shields. Everything is brand new. This is crazy. Now it's crazy because I know the person very well that was the caretaker of this car 2 owners ago. And it was an EAG car, if you couldn't figure that out by the Carfax and the service records. It is bananas. Nice. All right, enjoy. Happy bidding.